What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here, coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the Element RC Enduro kit. So here is the box. It came in the mail today. I ordered it last month. I forget exactly when I put my pre-order in, but I'm started to see them pop up in stock on Instagram and a couple retailers. And then I got a shipping notification that mine was on its way. So I'm super excited. This is the box. It's got all the specs and everything on the back here. It's got the option 1, option 2 for the overdrive. You have the threaded aluminum shocks, which should be really good. Machine steel transmission gears. All that fun stuff. But what I'm more concerned with is what is inside this box. The box is a lot bigger than the last kit that I put together from HPI, so I'm really curious. And also, I'm really hoping that there's a scale garage set up with this, but I'm not sure. So let's not hesitate and let's get right into this box. Alright. You can hear some stuff rattling in there. Cut these factory seals. And let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it looks like a scale garage. I'm seeing a door here. Wow, what a cool box. Alright, so let's just go through some of this stuff and just get a quick look at this. This looks like shark parts. Look at the bags are labeled with numbers like this. So that's 9, 3. Here's all the links, nice metal links, all the ends. Oh yeah, here's all the transmission stuff. Oh, alright, everything is looking really nice. It came with some shock fluid, 300 CST. Assembly grease, so that is real nice. Not sure what these parts are. Alright, more axle stuff. Okay, so here is the ladder frame, and it even did come with some body posts, even though it doesn't come with a body. Well, that's really nice. And here is the book. So I'm gonna have to learn how to put this together. Oh, it comes with a nice sticker sheet. And here is the scale garage part of the box. So I'll have to open this up and figure out how to use this. But maybe that's all that it came with. But I'm sure I can unfold it and get it to be a little bit better. Well, I'm super pumped about that because I really like that RTR box. So, alright, well, I have to get this thing assembled. I'm super busy. I got a lot of projects going on. I had to take down the Revo build I was doing because I had it all on my bench here. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show a quick look and announce that I got the kit and everything. So stay tuned for future videos. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel here, and you will be able to see this kit all put together. The Enduro from Element RC Builder's Kit. This thing should be going soon, guys. Thanks for tuning in. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.